Hi everyone, welcome back to the series that takes you through the features of BitBlast. Today we will discuss the monitoring dashboard. The monitoring dashboard in BitBlast provides users with detailed insights into their clusters, databases, allowing for efficient management and optimization. Admin can access a wide range of information related to specific user database including cluster type, database version, start time, and various performance matrices such as CPU usage and memory usage. Additionally, users can monitor important metrics like open file descriptors, shared buffers, and active sessions in real time, enabling proactive decision making and troubleshooting. With comprehensive data on transactions, update data, fetch data, insert data, and log tables, the monitoring dashboard empowers users to maintain optimal performance and reliability across their databases. Thanks for joining us today. Stay tuned for more informative BitBlast videos.